Let's talk about the difference between hand lettering and calligraphy because that's a definition that a lot of people get hung up on. The difference is the process, not the result. You can actually achieve a pretty similar result with these, but let's start with hand lettering. So with hand lettering, we're starting off by drawing some sketches and building up the letter. So hand lettering is all about drawing. You're drawing the outsides of the shapes. You may have to color it in. And usually we start with a sketch of the bones or like the skeleton, the main frame of the letter, and then add on from there. In calligraphy, we can still get variation in thin and thick strokes. In fact, that's a key characteristic of calligraphy, but the way that we achieve that is through varying the pressure of the pen. So even though you could go back in and fill in those thicker areas with a monoline pen, in calligraphy, you can do it as you go. So even though we're not lifting up our pen here for the S in calligraphy, calligraphy is different from cursive. We like to think of faux calligraphy as sort of a hybrid of hand lettering and calligraphy. Technically, it's hand lettering. As you can see, we have to go back in and draw in the shapes, fill it in, but the end result looks a lot like calligraphy that you could create with a brush pen or pointed pen. So to summarize, hand lettering, you can pretty much use any tool, any sort of lettering tool, but calligraphy uses specialized tools that allow you to create thick and thin strokes based on either the pressure or the angle that you're using. So the next time that you hear the difference between hand lettering and calligraphy is that hand lettering is drawing and calligraphy is writing. Hopefully this demonstration will help you understand what exactly that means. If you want more information and tutorials about hand lettering and calligraphy, please like this video. You can leave us a comment below to let us know what you thought, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching and have a great one.